Hello students, today we're going to work on making an origami project for Mother's Day. It's going to look something like this. It's a heart box. So you can see it opens up. On the inside it says I heart you mom. It might look backwards to you because I'm using my computer camera, but I assure you I didn't write it backwards. So we're going to do this today. What you're going to need to do this project is a piece of red construction paper or a piece of typing paper, some markers, a glue stick. I think that's it. Alright, we'll get those supplies together and we'll get started. So what you're going to need is your red piece of paper. First thing we're going to do is we're going to fold it diagonal to turn it into a square. So I'm going to fold it over like this. Right here, make sure that you're even along this edge right here. And then fold it. Make sure you get a good crease on it, like that. Okay, you want that creased really good. Alright, then you're going to take a pair of scissors and we're going to cut off this extra piece right here. So just cut right here. Okay, just set that aside, we don't need that. Alright, so we have our square piece of paper here. Alright, we've already got one of the creases on here, so what we need to do, remember when you're doing origami, you need to do real sharp creases, and you want to be very accurate in your folding, because otherwise it's not going to work right. Okay, so we need to fold this over this way. Alright, so that's another diagonal fold. Alright, as you're watching this video, if I get ahead of you, you can just pause the video. If you need to redo it, you can just start over. No problem. Alright, I'm going to fold it this way, like this. Okay, fold it like that. Alright, then we're going to fold it again this direction, going over this way. Make sure it's even. Okay, fold that there. Okay, now you're going to open it up, and we're going to fold the points in. Okay, so we're going to go this way, like this. You want to make sure you go right to the center. Don't go over the center or too short, and make sure that it's folding nice and straight and even. Okay, we're going to do that all the way around on all four. I'm going to do this side first. Make sure those points point right at each other. Crease there. And we're going to do these. Alright, make sure this doesn't overlap. It needs to fit right in the middle there. Okay, it should go right down to the corner. Hopefully. Okay, crease that really good, and then we're going to do this one here. Yeah. Okay. Alright, now we're going to leave it like this. Alright, we're going to open it up. And then we're going to take this point, fold it down to right here. So I'm just going to go right here, fold that down, like that. Then we're going to take this part here and fold it on this crease line we've already made. So you're going to do that. And then you're going to fold it one more time into the middle. So this is a new crease. Again, you want this to go right to the middle. Just fold it like that. And then we're going to flip it around. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So open this up. Going to fold this point down to the middle, or to right here. Alright, there's a crease that runs right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. And then we're going to take this, fold it over, like that, and then right here on this edge, we're going to fold it over again, one more time to the middle. Okay, so both of these edges should line up in the middle, just like this. Okay, if you notice right here in the middle there's a crease, so what we're going to do is we're going to fold this edge right here over to here. So watch, this side is going to pop up. Watch how this does this. Okay, I got to get it right on that line there. It's a little... And then fold this edge, so this edge is going to go right on that line right there. So just fold that over, and you see how this pops up here. Alright, hopefully y'all can see that. And then just crease that right there. We don't want to flatten it out or anything. You're going to do the same thing on this side, folding this edge over to this right here. So just kind of opening it up. Alright, and then crease right here. like that. Okay, so once you have that, then you're going to take all this and just fold it down flat, like that. Okay, so you can kind of get a look at how that looks right there. Okay. Alright, then what you're going to do is fold these points in right here. So you're going to go 1, 2. Alright, and then we're going to take this point right here, going to fold that into the middle, like that. Just fold that up there. And then take all of this and fold it over top of what we just made, like that. Okay. Alright, then you're going to turn it like this. Alright, we're going to take this side, do the same thing, so you're going to fold this edge right here over to here, and you'll see this side's going to pop up here. Alright, so and then just crease in here. Okay, you're going to do the same thing on this side. Open that up, over to here, crease that. Okay, and then take all this, lay it down, so you can kind of see how this is kind of folding up here. Just like that. Okay, then we're going to take this side, fold that in. So we're going to go 1, and then 2, right there. Get a good crease on those. All right, now we're going to take this point, fold that up like this, right here. Okay, and then take all of this first layer. Yeah, just take the first layer here, fold this over. You don't want to grab this side here. Okay. Alright, so it's just like that. It's just that one layer right there. Fold that over like that. Alright, watch. Our box is ready to open. So this is the open part. Okay. Alright, so we're going to do now, if you want to do the heart on here, you can, or if you just want to draw it on here with a marker, you could do that too, and then color it in. If you're using white paper, that might be a good way to do it. On mine, you'll see that I actually folded the heart, and it doesn't seem to want to stay very good. But maybe a little bit of glue would help hold that in right there. So I'm going to show you how to do that. What you want to do is just pick up this first layer right here, fold the corner over like this, and then flip that back out. So you can kind of see that that's making the first part of the heart right there. Okay, so you go like that. Alright, then you're going to just bend the corners over. So this is the one that needs some glue probably, but just try to bend that over a little bit toward the middle there. And then fold that back. And then do the same thing on this side. I'm going to try to get them about the same distance. Down. Okay, so that gets that part. Okay, and then right here at the very top, this is a little tricky. What you're going to do is you're going to push it in a little bit. Let me see here. I'm just going to push this corner in right here. Just to put a little dent on the corner. It's a little hard to do. Yeah, didn't do so good on that. That part's a little hard to do. Alright, so you go like that, and this is folded in. It's going to be kind of like that. Okay, and then you do the same thing on this side. Fold it in. Fold that down. Okay, so just kind of push that in. Hopefully y'all can see that okay. Alright, so that gives you that part. Okay, and again, some glue right on these tabs that keep wanting to pop out. That'd be good. Okay, so that gives you the heart here that you open up. And then inside on here is where you put your message. So I use some pink paper on mine. You could use whatever color you want to. But the measurement that you need to put the paper on the inside is 3 1/4. Okay, so kind of see there on my ruler, 3 1/4. Right there, 3 1/4. Let me write that down. 3 1/4. Okay, 3 1/4. So what you're going to do is just cut out a piece of paper. It's got to be a square to fit inside there. Alright, write your message on here. You don't have to write I heart mom. You could write whatever you want to. You could say I love you. you want to draw a picture, you could draw a picture on here or whatever. You do whatever you want to on this, doesn't matter. Okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to just put it on the inside of the box here. If you want to add a little glue on the back of this, you could. Alright, and then just fit it in there. I found that it. There we go. Okay. Okay, and then all this folded back in here. There you go. Yay, got it back together. Wow. Okay, so that's it there. So it's flat, hopefully, and then it opens up and you have your message on the inside. Okay, hope you have fun with that. And when you're done creating yours, post it on Seesaw so I can see it, and then you can give it to your mom for Mother's Day, or whoever. All right.